Metal pergola rusting? Let me tell you how to stop that ugly rust from taking over your backyard vibe real quick. First off, grab a wire brush and start scrubbing where the rust is hanging out. You want to get rid of all that flaky stuff because if you don't, the rust will just keep spreading under any paint you slap on. After you're done brushing, wipe everything down with a damp cloth to clear away dust and leftover bits. Next up, use a rust-inhibitive primer. That's the magic step, because it stops the rust from coming back and gives your paint something solid to stick to. Make sure you cover every nook and cranny, especially corners and joints where water likes to chill. Let the primer dry completely before you hit it with a fresh coat of outdoor paint designed for metal. 2 thin coats usually do the trick better than 1 thick one, so take your time with this part. And hey, if the weather looks iffy, wait for a sunny day so everything dries nice and smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal pergola rusting is skipping the wire brushing step. If you don't get rid of the old rust properly, it just comes back worse and faster. Another common issue is not using a rust-inhibitive primer. Regular primer won't cut it, and your paint job will peel off sooner than you want. Lastly, lots of folks paint right after brushing without cleaning the surface, which means dust and debris mess up the finish and let moisture sneak in. Fix these by making sure you prep well, wire brush until smooth, clean everything thoroughly, then prime with a rust-blocking product before painting. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful if you're looking for legit local contractors who know their stuff with metal pergolas and outdoor projects. It's also a great way for contractors to connect with homeowners needing reliable work done without all the hassle.